Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says, in the alkane given here, identify the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atom and give the number of hydrogen atoms bonded to each one this. ठीक है? So let's do the question, and the compound is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3. ठीक है बच्चों, in the condensed form it is 2 CH3 are there. Now it is CH2, CH, CH3 and CH3. So this is the compound and we have to identify primary, secondary and tertiary carbon. So बच्चों आपको पता है which carbons are called primary, secondary and tertiary when the carbon is having 3 hydrogen. Okay, it is having 3 hydrogen and bonded to 1 carbon, then it is called primary. ठीक है, in secondary it has 2 hydrogens and bonded to 2 carbon is called, this is called secondary, and tertiary it is bonded to 3 carbon and 1 hydrogen, it is called tertiary, and when it is bonded to all the carbons and there is no hydrogen, then it is called quaternary. ठीक है, so according to this methyl group is primary. ठीक है, and this is secondary, this is quaternary, this is primary. ठीक है, this is primary, here it is secondary, this is tertiary, this is primary and this is primary. ठीक है, so primary बच्चों कितने primary carbon atoms are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 primary. Secondary कितने हैं बच्चों? Secondary carbon is, there is 2 secondary, and tertiary there is only 1 tertiary carbon. ठीक है, and 1 quaternary carbon. ठीक है, now how many hydrogen atoms are bonded to each? So in primary carbon, because in 1 carbon it is 3 hydrogen, so in 5 there will be 15 hydrogen atoms. If you can count 3, 6, 9 and this is 6, so it is 15. So in case of secondary, because there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so 2 and 2, 4. ठीक है, 15 hydrogen atoms in case of primary. In case of secondary it is 4 hydrogen atoms. ठीक है, in case of tertiary there is only 1 tertiary carbon, so the number of hydrogen atom will be 1, क्योंकि tertiary में कितने होते हैं बच्चों? Only 1. And in case of quaternary there is 0 hydrogen atoms. ठीक है बच्चों, so in this way you can find out the number of primary, secondary and tertiary carbon and the hydrogen attached to there. So this is the answer. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.